Alright. Oh no, please don't fall. Okay, I'm fearful, but we're gonna be fearful together. 'Tis my week. And I steamed her in a bag and let her chill last night. She's just been hanging. Can I release you? So, I feel like I'm supposed to take the curls out on my head. I'm gonna go read the source of the old magic. Either way, I'm very distressed. I believe I did pin the head in, so let me remove my pins. I do believe I'm supposed to pull the curler out. I'm not supposed to unwrap the curl. I was hoping to get a visual on that. I would just like to retrieve my other pins, please. I know I pinned them. Here we go. I pinned them in the lace because my wig head is heavy. And I gotta put you outside in the sun so that you don't give me the scabies from the molds. Place this curler here. Try not to rip my lace. Place some oh, fiddlesticks. I think you were actually down here. Alright. Let me get a mirror. So, I believe the first one I just used one of the really long clips. No curl. I'm unrolling it, which is making it frizzy. This one's less frizzy. I'm obviously failing at some step. You know, one cannot simply shake the I'm a failure allegations, especially when they keep failing. I want to take them off on wig head so that I can at least like attempt. Like, oh, which way is your face? Skull. You know, one cannot simply shake the I'm a failure allegations, especially when they keep failing. Kind of want to take them off on the wig head so that I can at least like attempt, like, oh, which way is your face? Skull.
Remember how everyone was obsessed with those self-heating hot pots for me? Well, now they've got self-heating rice bowls. It works super similar to how the hot pot one functions, and they have different flavors, but I went with the kimchi style bibimbap. Once you unwrap your package, you'll notice that there's a bunch of little pieces.
Oh yeah, I just thought of something. I am in the bath, sorry. Since I just got my vaccines, I just thought of something. You should definitely look it up because I can't quite remember. But since you just got a tattoo, you may want to hold off on getting your vaccinations because it could cause like your immune system and your body to flare up, and it might cause your tattoo to get infected or ruin the ink. So definitely research that. But I just thought about it.
I love the fact that I'm so used to you just sending voice notes from the bath. It didn't faze me. I just went, oh, bath time. It's bath time. Bath time. I think maybe I'll steam it for longer.
Get money. Y'all taking on the dancer clothes. What are the dancers supposed to wear? Then to top it all off, y'all are wearing it with tennis shoes. Y'all not even going full out and wearing it with heels. If you gonna dress like a dancer, maybe put them platforms on and strut. I need to wear that to brunch, to Chili's, to a steakhouse, baby. If I get to brunch and your cheeks are clapping next to my eggs.
Do we have volume? It's voluminous, that's for fucking sure. We got volume, but I don't know if that's good. I don't really know what's happening, but it's on my head. Let's break out the bang. I didn't put lip gloss on yet because I didn't want to have, it's big, it's bigger. It's definitely not like, I felt like for a while I had a bit of, yeah, that's big hair. I felt like for a little bit I had a teensy bit of like very flat wig. I'm gonna toss it up into a claw clip like I'm stapling it like it's a group project. Just gotta throw everyone's name up in there. So clean your lens for clearer photos. I must be going blind. Okay, so I didn't get like big voluminous curls, but I have a lot of volume. Okay, I guess I'll try steaming it for longer next time. But we're here now, so I'm glad I took you along. Gonk.
the special thing about these games is you can go beef mode or you can poop. Those are the two special things Pokemon
Give
do
me
in
your
the-
money.
There's no story. It's just
Oh, we got some eyes.
I kind of don't feel like I need to wear
all bees.
the headband. Crazy.
Now it can, form other places.
Oh, it doesn't have